Get a load of this, trendsetters. I have, since last week, got 6 out of 7 orange cauliflower seedlings. Now that, according to my Google Maths, is 87.5% strike rate, and the suggested strike rate that I've been informed by Happy Valley Seeds is 83%. So we've exceeded the strike rate by 4.5%. But now these guys, I've had these sitting underneath this crepe myrtle tree, so we're all in the shade, but they've got to come out into the sun somehow. Hang on, I'll put this in my left hand. Bring them out into the sun so they can harden up a bit before they go into the garden and get a bit more size. Now last night, I also gave them a half strength liquid fertilizer. I use PowerFeed by Seasol, and I'll do that weekly until I think they're at a size where they're ready to go into the garden. But there you go, 6 out of 7, happy with that. I've got to put this wire cage over because there's things here like to dig seedlings out of the ground, and also I have to cover them. Hang on, let me sort this wire out. With netting, because of the dreaded white cabbage moth. Anyhow, we've got them in plague proportions at the moment. They're eating everything out of house and home. But there you go. All good. Another couple of weeks there and they'll be out in the garden. 6 out of 7. Cheers.